hope you like my hair as well. Hey guys, Princess Ukpai here. Welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time on my channel, you're very much welcome. Do not forget that you can follow me on any of my social media platforms written down below, and to subscribe to this channel, leave your comments, like this video, and share as well. So yeah, as you can see, I have makeup look today, and I hope you guys like this look. But if you want to see how I created this, just keep watching. And yeah, let's get right into this video. So I'm starting with my primer from RIMMEL, my face primer. And then next I'll be using my Mary Kay foundation for my face. Then I'll just blend my face using my Damn Beauty blender. Okay, so I'll be using my LA Pro Conceal in the shade Toffee to just highlight my face. And then I'll be using my SACHA BUTTERCUP setting powder to just set my face. Okay, so now I'll take my Essence brow liner to just line my brows. I'll use my LA concealer in the shade Toffee to, clean up my brows. Use this brush to blend out this excess concealer. It's a fluffy brush. And the brush I used earlier was a flat brush to line the eyebrows. So I'll just brush my brows using my spoolie brush. I'll prime my eyelids using my LA Girl eyeshadow primer and a fluffy brush. Starting with this shade, it's called Canvas from the James Charles palette. Next, I'll be going with this orange shade from the James Charles palette. It's called shade 518. So I'll just use it here for my transition color. I'll just use my blending brush to blend out these outer corners. Then I'll go with this shade, it's called Boutique. And I'll just use it to fill in the rest of my eyes. And then I'll take this, shade, it's called Rusted. And then I will just use it to fill out this, make a smoother transition between these two shades. So just right at the demarcation, I'll fill it there. I'll use my blending brush to blend all the colors. And then I'll take this pointed brush and using this shade, this glitter shade, it's called So Good. I'll just use it for my inner tear ducts. Okay, then I'll be using my NYX gel eyeliner to draw my eyeliner. And I'll be taking this oval stiff brush and just use it to dust off all this excess powder from my face. Then I'll be fixing my lashes with my dual lash glue. I'll use my mascara from MAYBELLINE to blend my false and natural lashes. Then I'll use my LA Pro Conceal in the shade EXPRESSO to contour my face. Then I'll use my Mary Kay powder in the shade Bronze 2 to contour my face. And then I'll just use it on my neck. And I'll use this angled brush to blend my nose. And I'll use this flat, fluffy kind of brush to blend my face. You can use a regular powder brush if you have it. I just prefer to use this. And then I'll take a clean powder brush to just blend all over my face. And I'll use a small precision brush and this shade Boutique for my under eyes. And then I'll be mixing these two shades together, and I'll just use it below, the previous shade on my under eye. I'll be using mascara for my lower lashes. I'll be using this shade as a blush. The shade is called 10% Off. And I'll set my face with my setting spray from Essence Cosmetics. I'm using my fan brush. I'll be using this shade, it's called Face, as a highlighter. Then I'll take this small fluffy brush and use it to highlight my upper lip and my jaw. And then I'll take my lip pencil in the J.CAT Beauty lip pencil in the shade Chocolate and use it to line my lips. I'll line my lips and kind of fill it in a bit. Then taking my lip brush, it's a flat brush, small flat brush, to just blend out this lip liner. Then I'll take my nude lipstick from Wet n Wild and just put it in this middle part that I left blank. Using my lip brush to blend. And I'll just take my clear lip gloss and apply it on my lips. Taking my lip brush to just blend out this gloss. So guys, this is it. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please do not forget to give it a thumbs up, comment, subscribe and share. And with that, I'll see you in my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.